The Earth is cloaked in a breathtaking tapestry of blue. It's a color so ubiquitous, so defining, that we call our home the blue planet. Yet this watery veil hides more secrets than we can imagine. Over 70% of our planet is covered by the ocean, and a staggering 80% of it remains unexplored and unseen by human eyes. Beneath the waves, in the cold, dark depths, lies a world far removed from our own. Creatures beyond our nightmares lurk in its abyssal trenches. Phenomena that defy scientific explanation flicker through its watery corridors, and lost worlds, whispering tales of bygone eras, lay buried beneath its sandy floor. Today, we embark on a journey into this enigmatic realm. We dive into the abyss to uncover the most mysterious, eerie, and unknown truths of the deep. Are you ready to explore what lies beneath? In the summer of 1997, a sound like no other reverberated through the Pacific Ocean. It was a powerful, ultra-low-frequency sound, picked up by hydrophones thousands of miles apart. This sound, nicknamed the Bloop, was louder than any known animal could produce, sparking immediate speculation about a colossal sea monster lurking in the depths. Whispers of colossal squid, larger than any known creature, or even undiscovered leviathans from our planet's past, filled internet forums and scientific journals alike. Theories abounded, each more outlandish and terrifying than the last. Could this be the sound of a creature so massive, so alien to our understanding, that it dwarfed even the blue whale in size? The answer, as it turned out, was both simpler and more awe-inspiring. While the ocean is indeed home to magnificent creatures, the Bloop's origins were eventually traced back to a more terrestrial source: ice. The sound was the result of a massive ice quake, the breaking and fracturing of glaciers in the frigid Antarctic waters. A testament to the sheer power of nature, and a reminder that even the most outlandish stories can have surprisingly mundane explanations. Imagine sailing across a boundless expanse of glowing blue, the ocean shimmering and sparkling like a starlit sky. This is not a scene from a fantasy novel, but a real phenomenon known as the Milky Sea effect. For centuries, sailors told tales of encountering these vast, luminous swaths of ocean, their stories dismissed as maritime folklore. However, in recent decades, satellite imagery has confirmed the existence of these eerie, beautiful events. The culprit? Bioluminescent bacteria, tiny organisms capable of producing their own light. But the sheer scale of the Milky Sea effect, stretching for hundreds of square kilometers, is what makes it truly remarkable. The secret lies in a phenomenon called quorum sensing. These bacteria communicate with each other through chemical signals, and when their population density reaches a certain threshold, they light up in unison, creating a breathtaking spectacle of nature's own bioluminescence. We are accustomed to waterfalls cascading from cliffs, a display of gravity's relentless pull. Yet, beneath the ocean's surface, hidden from our view, exist waterfalls far grander in scale. One such spectacle lies off the coast of Mauritius, where a seemingly bottomless chasm plunges into the deep. Here, sand, driven by currents and gravity, cascades over an underwater cliff, creating an illusion of a waterfall flowing into the abyss. This underwater spectacle is not a true waterfall, but a captivating display of ocean currents shaping the seabed. Further north, between Iceland and Greenland, lies the Denmark Strait Cataract, a colossal underwater waterfall 3 times the height of Angel Falls, the world's tallest waterfall on land. This submerged giant is formed by the density differences between the cold, dense water of the Greenland Sea plunging beneath the warmer, lighter water of the Erminger Sea. In the suffocating depths, where sunlight fades and oxygen dwindles, survives a creature seemingly plucked from a prehistoric era, the vampire squid. Its name, conjuring images of mythical horrors, is both apt and misleading. This cephalopod, a distant relative of octopuses and squid, is a master of survival in the oxygen minimum zone, a layer of the ocean where life struggles to exist. Its blood, infused with a copper-rich protein called hemocyanin, efficiently extracts oxygen from the scarce supply, allowing it to thrive in this harsh environment. But the vampire squid has even more tricks up its sleeve. Unlike its namesake, it doesn't crave blood. Instead, it feeds on marine snow, a gentle rain of organic debris that falls from the surface. And when threatened, it deploys a dazzling light show, ejecting a cloud of bioluminescent mucus that confuses predators and allows this ancient mariner to fade back into the darkness. This creature, a living fossil from a time before dinosaurs walked the Earth, is a testament to the incredible adaptability of life in the deep ocean. In the crushing depths of the ocean, where finding a mate can be a chance encounter of a lifetime, the black sea devil anglerfish has evolved one of the animal kingdom's most bizarre and unsettling reproductive strategies. Imagine a world where males, dwarfed by their female counterparts, live solely to find a mate. This is the reality for the male black sea devil. These diminutive males, lacking the bioluminescent lures of their mates, roam the abyssal plains, their large nostrils guiding them through the pitch-black darkness. Once a male finds a female, he latches onto her body with his sharp teeth. This attachment triggers a remarkable transformation. The male's body begins to fuse with the female's, his organs slowly absorbed until he becomes little more than a parasitic sperm source, forever attached to his mate, ensuring the continuation of their lineage. It's a love story as macabre as it is efficient. The quest for immortality has captivated humanity for millennia, but deep within the ocean's embrace, a creature may have already unlocked the secrets of eternal life. It is called, aptly, the immortal jellyfish, and its life cycle reads like something out of a myth. Imagine a creature capable of turning back time, reverting to its youthful polyp stage after reaching sexual maturity. This remarkable feat of biological engineering allows the immortal jellyfish to, theoretically, live forever. When faced with starvation, injury, or other environmental stresses, it simply absorbs its tentacles, shrinks its body, and transforms back into a polyp, starting its life cycle anew. While not truly immortal, predators and disease still pose threats. Its ability to cheat death has captivated scientists and sparked research into the potential of cellular regeneration. Could this unassuming jellyfish hold the key to unlocking the secrets of aging and extending human lifespan? Only time, it seems, will tell. Off the coast of Yonaguni, Japan, lies a submerged structure that has sparked fierce debate among scientists and archaeologists. Known as the Yonaguni Monument, this underwater formation resembles a giant stepped pyramid with terraces, walls, and what appear to be carved figures. Could this be the remnants of a lost civilization, a Pacific Atlantis swallowed by the waves millennia ago? Or is it a natural formation, sculpted by the relentless forces of the ocean over eons? Geologists point to the sandstone's natural tendency to fracture along straight lines, suggesting that the monument's striking features are the result of tectonic activity and erosion rather than human handiwork. However, the presence of what appear to be tool marks, carvings, and even a crude face carved into the rock fuels speculation about the monument's true origins. The debate rages on, the Yonaguni Monument a silent sentinel guarding its secrets in the blue twilight. Deep beneath the Atlantic Ocean, far from the sun's reach, lies a place unlike anywhere else on Earth, the Lost City hydrothermal field. Here, towering white chimneys, spewing superheated, mineral-rich fluids, create an otherworldly landscape reminiscent of a science fiction film. But what makes the Lost City truly remarkable is not its appearance, but its chemistry. Unlike the black smokers found at other hydrothermal vent sites, the Lost City's vents are alkaline, meaning they release fluids with a high pH. This unique environment, scientists believe, may hold the key to understanding the origins of life on Earth. The alkaline vents create conditions similar to those thought to have existed on early Earth, where life first emerged. Studying these vents and the organisms that thrive around them could provide invaluable insights into how life arose from a primordial soup of chemicals billions of years ago. For centuries, our exploration of the deep ocean was limited by the capabilities of human-occupied submersibles, expensive, risky, and confining. But the advent of autonomous deep-sea drones is revolutionizing our understanding of this final frontier. These robotic explorers, equipped with cameras, sensors, and sampling tools, can venture where humans cannot, plumbing the depths for weeks or even months at a time. One such drone, affectionately named Bodie McBoatface, has already made groundbreaking discoveries, mapping the seabed, studying ocean currents, and even discovering new species. Its ability to operate independently, collecting data and transmitting it back to scientists on the surface, is opening up new vistas of exploration. Another marvel of modern engineering, the Orpheus drone, is designed for even greater depths, capable of withstanding the crushing pressure of the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth. As technology advances, these robotic explorers will play an increasingly vital role in uncovering the ocean's secrets. As we deplete resources on land, the ocean floor, littered with mineral-rich deposits, is becoming an increasingly tempting target for extraction. Polymetallic nodules, potato-sized concretions containing valuable metals like manganese, nickel, and cobalt, are scattered across the abyssal plains, promising vast wealth. These metals are essential components of batteries, electronics, and renewable energy technologies, making deep-sea mining seem like a potential solution to our growing resource demands. However, this potential bounty comes at a steep environmental cost. The process of extracting these nodules would devastate the seabed, destroying fragile ecosystems and stirring up sediment plumes that could suffocate marine life for miles around. The long-term consequences of such large-scale disruption are poorly understood, but the potential for ecological disaster is undeniable. The question we face is a stark one. Can we afford to exploit this underwater treasure trove, or will our greed come at the cost of an irreplaceable ecosystem? The ocean doesn't need myths to be fascinating. Reality is strange enough. As technology improves, we're discovering that truth really is stranger than fiction. From bioluminescent seas to underwater waterfalls, from creatures that defy our understanding of life itself to the potential for both incredible discovery and devastating destruction, the ocean remains a source of endless wonder and concern. It's a realm that reminds us of how much we have yet to learn, how much there is still to explore, and how crucial it is that we protect this precious, fragile ecosystem. If you enjoyed this journey into the surreal, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's uncover more mysteries together in the next video. See you soon. Thank you.